When you give an AI a really complex task, it doesn't just work harder, it actually builds a team. Today, we're going to pull back the curtain on the protocol that lets multiple specialized AIs team up to tackle missions that a single AI just couldn't handle on its own. So, let's start with a task that seems simple enough on the surface, planning a vacation. But think about it. For an AI, coordinating flights, hotels, weather, and your personal schedule, well, that's not just one job. It's a complex mission that needs a whole team of experts. To pull this off, the central AI acts kind of like a mission commander, and its first move isn't to start booking things, but to assemble a specialist team of other AIs, each one bringing a unique skill to the table. First up, it calls in the travel server. Think of this as the team's seasoned travel agent. It has instant access to every flight route, hotel availability, all the logistics needed to build that perfect itinerary. Next, it pings the weather server. This is the team's meteorologist. Its whole job is to make sure you're packing for sunshine instead of showers by pulling in real-time climate data and forecasts for your destination. And finally, the calendar and email server joins the party. This is the ultimate personal assistant. It knows your schedule, it finds those open slots, and it handles all the boring confirmation stuff automatically. And just like that, the team is assembled. Okay, so with all the specialists online, the mission enters its first and most critical phase, the briefing. Before a single action is taken, the AI needs to understand the full context of what you're asking. And this right here, this highlights the most important step. Instead of just blindly searching for flights, the AI first does this deep dive briefing, absorbing all the information you give it to build a complete picture of exactly what you need. So for our Barcelona trip, it's scanning your calendar to find when you're free. It's reviewing your travel profile to know you prefer a window seat in boutique hotels. It even analyzes your past trips to get a feel for your tastes. This is personalization on a whole new level. So once that briefing is complete and the AI has all its context, well, now it's time to act. And the execution is just rapid and precise. The AI triggers this whole sequence of tools. It searches for flights, then it checks the weather for those dates, it books the perfect hotel, blocks it off on your calendar, and then sends you the final confirmation email, all in sequence, all completely automatic. And boom, just like that, mission accomplished. The result of all this intelligent collaboration isn't just a booking, it's a complete personalized travel plan, built from scratch for you and delivered in moments. The final output isn't some messy list of confirmation emails. No, it's a polished itinerary. Your flights, your hotel, your dates, they're all perfectly aligned with your schedule and your taste. It's basically the exact plan you would have made for yourself if you just had hours to spare. Really think about the efficiency here. All that research, the cross-referencing, the booking, a process that would normally take us hours is done in just a few minutes. And that level of automation is only possible because of this collaborative system working behind the scenes. And that system has a name. It's called the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. It's the engine that powered this entire mission, from that first simple prompt all the way to the final delivered plan. So MCP is basically the invisible operating system for this AI team. It's the framework that lets all these different experts share resources, understand the same context, and use their tools together as one single cohesive unit. It's what makes the team up possible in the first place. This kind of technology really transforms AI from just a simple tool into a personal team of experts ready to tackle pretty much any complex project you can throw at it, which it leaves us with one final and I think really exciting thought. Now that you've seen what's possible, what mission would you hand off to your own personal AI team?